picking up a lot of wind here. Huh, damn. Okay, now it might be a bit better with the wind. Or not. It's still on red. It's still on. Where's the left side microphone? I don't know. You have an idea? Is it up here perhaps? I don't know. I mean, it's super strange. I just have HDMI and stuff.
Is it up here?
I don't know. I mean, the only microphone I know is like this one on the right side. That's like very next to the screen we're having. So it's really strange. But well, I hope at least you're able to hear what we're saying. Because it's a bit windy. So, and it's like peaking all the time, going up to the red bar. Out of like 8 bars, it's like to the number 6, and then it's getting red. So I have no idea how the audio will be. Yeah. Okay, so yesterday with the tooth pain. Yeah, so now when she got to Sweden, they made a temporary fix on the tooth, so until she can get back to Greece and make it good. Because it's probably cheaper in Greece to do it. Because here in Sweden you have to pay full money for it. While the Swedish citizens, we get like a tax reduction on it. So we, instead of perhaps paying like 200 euros, we can pay like 100 euros, I guess. Here's some stuff. Yeah. Stuff. So the dentist did a bad thing, so she had to do a temporary fix here because it's cheaper in Greece, we guess, than in Sweden. But we need to go to the dentist again because she's been getting the bad tooth again. So yeah, that's pretty bad. And it's like every now and then, like whenever we eat something hot. I don't know if it's like when it's the temporary fix at least lasted like a month or something, which is, I mean, well, it's. So on Monday we're gonna go to the dentist, see what they think, what we should do if we're gonna do another temporary fix, because she's gonna go back to Greece in the end of September to do the final exam to become a nurse. So hopefully she will be able to fix the tooth during the like 1 or 2 weeks she stays home, and then come back to Sweden and prepare for the trip down through entire of Europe down to Greece with car. That we hopefully will be able to vlog. If it only would be me and Bessie, no, it wouldn't be any problem. But now it's also going to be my parents. I don't know how they feel like about being on the camera or being near the camera while doing videos.
It will be good.
So perhaps it's only at like, hopefully it's good. Otherwise it's just being like stopping at different kind of places where we're able to do vlogs, or just like show like on the road, like Autobahn, or being on the boat, or being in the car, or stuff like that, or yeah.
And a ton of photos.
Yeah, and hopefully a ton of photos. I have like 64 gigabyte in this one, so it should be enough for some time.
Yeah, I will take 2.
Otherwise I have an adapter for a smaller memory card, like 32 gigabyte, my GoPro, so I can use that one as well. Yeah, so now day 3, we're going to the waterfall. Yesterday we were trapped on the mountain more or less because of her tooth. We were like, had to sit down for like half an hour when we realized it was getting darker and we were really cold. So we were happy we brought some really dry clothes. So we changed clothes to the drier one, changed raining jacket for her because she was the worst one, and put on a lot of extra clothes and so on. And then it got warmer, the tooth got a bit better, so we were able to go down. And whenever we like got back home, it took like over 1 hour to drive home. I don't know, it was completely dark when we got back home.
Rainy, dark.
Yeah. Misty, rainy, a lot of wind. Yeah, super fun, you know. But now it seems like we come to a small area here with some benches and wood stuff here. We're gonna go out with it. I'll continue the camera, but I will not talk, so the people don't understand that I'm Sleeping.
What? Creepy?
I want to be less creepy.
Okay, they will think I'm creepy then. Let's swim.
It's really sunny.
Swim. It's hot. Let's swim. Oh, it's not so down. Ah, okay.
It's not so deep. But I don't know if you're able to see it on the camera. It's really hard to see with this like lightning if it's
Yeah.
or with this screen if you can see the bottom or not. But it's perhaps it's like half a meter or something. Perhaps up to the knees. A little path we can walk. Yes. Yeah.
Take a photo. Where is the sun? No.
Top of the morning to you, my laddies. My name is Jeff. Burford and the pipes doesn't work in the ground here. See that stuff? Doesn't work. Too much water. Yesterday it was raining the entire day from morning, and then it was raining the entire night. It probably stopped, I don't know, 6 o'clock this morning perhaps. It was still raining when we went to bed, like 12 o'clock or something. 1 o'clock I think it was. Yeah, 1. Yeah.
It was really nice.
Yeah. It was nice. We saw a movie. Yeah.
Movie.
Relaxed. We saw a movie. We went to the sauna to heat up our fat a bit more. Saw a movie. I don't know what it's called. It's about Kim Jong-un. You know, the interview. I think it's called. The movie is called The Interview. You know, with this Seth Rogen and the man from the original Spider-Man trilogy. Smell that?
Yeah.
That's the oil can that was back there.
So good.
Yeah. So good. Oops. There we go. So they're building a new bridge here. It's needed. I think we walked down before. Like before this we like walked below it, and whenever it's a lot of wet, then it's bad. But now the question is, where the fuck do we follow the sign? Here. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know where we go if we come there. Oh Jesus! Fuck. It's been raining a lot tonight. Bet it was a lot of like gravel and stuff there not long ago. Yeah, we saw the movie. It was super fun. Super crazy. With the man from Spider-Man 3. Not the good guy, not the Spider-Man. But well, I guess it turned out good in the end.
What a cute puppy.
Oh yeah, the puppy in the movie, yeah. And they got like honey dicked or whatever it was called. So now here we're walking to the waterfall, perhaps 1 kilometer left or something. Oh! Sounds like there's a lot of water. Steps down! Good, we have the good shoes. Yeah. So when we got back yesterday we were super wet. Had like nothing dry at all. Put the temperature in the car to 26 degrees. Like full effect on the fans. 4 out of 6, almost full effect. And on with the highest on the heater on the seats. And didn't really get hot in the drive home. It was like 1 hour. But at least we got hotter. Like I took off my pants. No, they are still had. But I took off like everything, changed to something. Bess here, well, she had already changed earlier, and we were lucky because it was as we like changed clothes, or she did whenever she had bad pain tooth. It stopped raining, so she didn't get more wet, which was super good because it was cold and not so fun to go there, and the wind stopped as well. So yeah, right now, water. Yay, more water. So much water. I guess you can hear it because it's showing on the reading that you can hear it. So I don't know how well you can hear my voice. Let's go on a treasure hunt. Yeah, what do you think, huh? Wanna join me on a treasure hunt, huh? I wouldn't. Hey, why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me like that? Huh? I don't know. Nothing. Huh? Let's go on a treasure hunt. Water! Yay! Add more water. Okay, we're gonna take some photos here, so we'll be right back. So, and yesterday we didn't eat so much because, well, she had a bad tooth. So we like ate breakfast, 2 cheeseburgers each, and just like the cakes were claw, like she ate 1.5, then she couldn't eat more. So I got 2.5. Yes. And then she got like some. That was all. We had planned on eating like ravioli or something, like as a lunch. Oh damn! Now it's a lot of noise here in the camera. Woo! Woohoo! Woohoo! There goes. Yeah, we were planning on eating, but we couldn't, or she couldn't, so I didn't eat too. And we were so cold whenever we got to the car, so we were like, fuck it, let's just drive home, get shower, perhaps the sauna, and get ready for the sleep, to get hot enough in time and get the dry clothes and so on, hopefully.
No! Don't eat me, no!
What are you saying?
I'm happy.
You're welcome. So no food, no nothing. 8 in the evening. Not so hungry anyway. Strange. Top of the morning to you again. Hey. Yeah, we're getting closer to the waterfall now. Just took some pictures. A lot of people behind us, like close to a resting place. I don't know if you're already able to hear the waterfall, but we can. And I was here like 1 year ago, and it's much more water now this time, because we couldn't hear it this well from the distance we could today. And the same thing about the little river thingy, the water collection area. It wasn't the same amount back then as well. So if you're not able to hear us, like our voice, it's because it's going to be so extremely much noises from the water itself, from the waterfall. So we will see if you will be able to hear us at all. Now we're gonna go down to the waterfall and take some pictures, get some footage, and then we're gonna walk back and up and around it. So we're gonna be like on top of the mountain, and to be able to look down on closer areas, because today it's the perfect day to be here. We're gonna see super far. We're super close to the waterfall now. We got the water running. Yay! There it is, guys. Sweden-sized waterfall. Damn! Don't zoom on. Okay, I'm focusing on the leaves. I want the water, please. Whoa, Jesus. water. Okay, so I don't know how good you can hear me, but the water is actually coming down on me. It's coming down on the screen and the camera. So didn't do this far back then. It's really cool. Let's try to get closer. YouTuber's life. Okay, if you can hear me, we're getting really close to the waterfall. It's right here. Fuck. Damn, you scared me more than Five Nights at Freddy's, because that is not scary at all, according to me. I don't get that thing. Okay, we're getting really close now. A lot of noises.
Yay!
Oh damn, look, it's been raining a lot tonight.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Yeah, whenever we're planning on going up there,
Yeah.
the view is not so much of this place. It's actually more to be able to see everything around here, like everything around. Not so much this place. Yeah. I walk this lonely road. We're only 3 person on it right now. Oh, there's a 4th. Bye, guys. Damn, girl. I'm just kidding, guys. Well, she's a really nice girl. So. Okay, we're getting close now to the waterfall. Woo! It's up there. I think it's like between 90 and 100 meters tall. If you still can hear me, still can hear me. Still, yeah. It's way more water now. Damn. Looking like it's raining now on me and everything around me. So cool. So cool. I've been here like 1 year ago, 1 year and 1 month ago or something, and damn, not disappointed at all. Not disappointed at all going back to this place. It's a place you can go several times without getting disappointed, because it's just so amazing to see this. It's so amazing. The last time we were able to go like to where exactly the water is falling down, because, well, there was so little water coming down. Now it's like 10 times more or something. So then you could like walk all the way to it. It was just a small puddle down below it. Now I don't think we can, because there's just too much water from the waterfall. So we can't do it, sadly enough. And the rocks here, they were dry. All the rocks around here were dry. Now they're wet. Hey, here's the waterfall! Yay! And in the winter it looks like you're able to climb it. When it's freezing to ice, you can climb it. Really cool. And then there's some animals and some plants here. Yeah, so I don't know if we're gonna walk on top of it. It's just to like see the view of everything behind us, like all the mountains and so on. Yeah. So I don't know, we will see if we're going to do it or not. She's having a bad leg from all the walk yesterday.
Thank you.
It's good.
It's good. It's good. I can. Are we top of the mountain?
Top of the mountain. Yeah, it's like raining here. We're getting wet.
Yeah.
It's getting wet. Hey guys.
Hey guys. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Okay, so we the waterfall is behind us here. Over there, I guess you can see it. Somewhere, I don't know. There it is. Yeah, so we're on our way uphill here. We're gonna go to the top of it. Just catching a breather here, relaxing, enjoying the view.
Taking a nap.
Taking a nap. Time is like 1 o'clock now. Looks like we're gonna be home at like 8 o'clock at the earliest, I guess. Oh yeah, we need to stop eat as well, so perhaps 9 o'clock.
Yes, that's good.
Yeah, let's just hope your mom is able to Skype then, because I guess
Yes,
she
of
really
course.
wanted. Yeah.
Of course.
So, well, we're on our way. We're like halfway up now, I guess.
Yeah.
I'm not halfway up. No, not me.
No, I'm just looking. Just looking.
No, don't look. No. Okay, so we're here right now. There's a bit of windy. We're gonna continue to walk up soon. Her leg is.
It's good. It's good.
It's
I'm
so-
not complaining, but I will complain.
It's working. Yeah, like me. My legs are also hurting, so it's.
Mine is dead.
I don't think it's that, but well, we're on our way now. It's getting really close. It's getting closer. Perhaps it's like 3.5 kilometers more we need to walk or something. 3-4 kilometers.
Yeah.
So totally not sponsored. Totally not.
Sponsored.
But
Yes.
if you want to do that mountain,
Yeah.
we will buy it because oh my god, it's so good.
Yeah, it's so delicious. It's fucking delicious.
After she drinks it, she's going crazy in Counter-Strike. I promise. I mean, after she took one, like a can of it, like 33 centiliters. Oh my god! I mean, she has totally wrecked everyone. Yeah, she was talking about that. No, but she was wrecking exactly everyone on the Counter-Strike after she drank one. So it's really cool. So well, it's time for us. We're gonna eat some little berries now, I guess.
Yay!
We have something called lingon.
You want some?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Blueberry. Thank you. Nom, 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 nom. It's good. Hey guys. Oh damn, it's dark. It's dark. How can we be so dark?
Hi guys.
Yeah, well, good night, guys. We're now here at the top of the waterfall. Yeah, it's like over 1 o'clock now, and it's like 2 kilometers to walk back. The mountain we actually climbed yesterday is right over here. That one. Now I'm back, we actually, Bessie and me. So we're now at a place called Rättvik, and they have this long, super long wooden bridge out. And the normal water is, well, I guess you can see the line in the water, like here-ish. But now it's a bit low water. But the last time, when I was here, we could actually walk all the way out to the little island without any problems at all, because the water was super low. And that was in late. When was that? Was it late April we were here? I think so. In like the second half of April, it was like no water at all out here. Yeah, and it's getting dark now. We're probably going to be home like 9 o'clock or something. Perhaps even later now, because we're walking here and going to take some photos and so on. So yeah, this is the last part for her weekend, birthday weekend, and yeah, hope you all had an amazing time. We sure did, even though our legs hurt now and so on. and we would love to get back to the car and just drive home, but we're stopping here to take some more photos
Yeah.
and to make this one. So thank you all so much for watching all of these videos, or if you just watch one video or no video or just clicked it or anything. Thank you all so much for being here. And we will try to be here more for you in the future, making more videos and so on, because we love making videos, so we'll try to do it. So thank you all so much for this weekend, and more of this might be coming sometime, I don't know when. So
Sometime in the future.
yeah, sometime in the future. So I hope you all had an amazing weekend like us, and we'll see you later on in another video. We have more ideas, so yeah, absolutely we'll be back. So
Challenge.
yeah, challenges and some other videos. Yeah. So have an amazing time, and we see you later on, guys. Bye.